Let's learn how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So welcome back to another simple app tutor video everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok in a few simple steps. Whether you want to start fresh, clean up your following list, or whatever the reason may be, this video will help you out. This works on both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps. Let's open our TikTok app and go to our TikTok profile. If I go and open my following list, you can see that I don't follow a lot of people, but you may follow thousands of people, but as you may know, you do not have an unfollow all button or something like that. TikTok doesn't give us that option where we can unfollow everyone at once, so we will have to use another method. Let's go to our TikTok profile page, and then you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, open the settings and privacy section. When we go to our TikTok settings, scroll all the way down until you can see this report a problem option. When you open this section, scroll down a little bit until you can see the account and profile under the topic section. After that, click on this editing profile button and that will expand where you will see a couple of options. You want to tap on this other option and then you will get to this page. Now click on this Need More Help button and you will get this little text box where we will contact the TikTok team directly. In here, we want to explain our problem to the TikTok team. You want to ask them to help you in order to unfollow all the people you follow on TikTok at once. Say to them that you follow a lot of people and that you cannot unfollow everyone manually, and kindly ask them to help you resolve your issue. And you can write the same thing like I am writing right here, and after a day or two they should respond to your request and they should help you to unfollow everyone you follow all at once. So send them this message and you will be good to go. So if this video helped you out and you were able to unfollow everyone on TikTok and start over with a clean profile, then consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.